Last year, our CRF250R won the championship. Both the 250 Supercross title plus the 250 MX National Championship. Only one of those could be a reason to celebrate. But the CRF250R was the difference. Now Honda introduces the all-new CRF250RWE Works Edition, which is a development of the Classic CRF250R, with exclusive factory touches that enhance its efficiency and appeal. Manufactured on the same line as the CRF250R in Kumamoto, Japan, the CRF250RWE boasts a Yoshimura exhaust as well as a twin air filter element that allows airflow to be fine-tuned. New ignition and starting assist settings are also specific to the CRF250RWE, as is the hydraulically operated clutch with a specific receiver. This hydraulic clutch system reduces lever force by 16% over the conventional cable-controlled system. It also helps reduce lever play and improves feel as the clutch temperature increases. At the end of the casting process, the cylinder head inlet is hand-finished by specialized workers at the Kumamoto factory. Work that makes the airflow even smoother and smoother to optimize power usage. To underscore the special status of the CRF250RWE, laser engraving CRF Works Edition has been applied to the cylinder head. On the suspension side, the rear shock absorber has a titanium-coated shaft that is highly resistant, while enhancing the handling of wheel movement. These developments go hand in hand with further improvements to the fork thanks to the Kashima black treatment on the lower leg and titanium treatment on the dip tube. The CRF250RWE also features a bright red cylinder head cover, black lower and upper triple clamps, gold-colored DID DM2 drive chain, Renthal handlebars, special rubber grips, throttle jockey seat cover, black DID LTX rims, black front wheel axle supports, but also specific graphics with laser engraving on certain rims and suspension components. Thus, the compression adjustment button placed on the top of the fork tube allows for easy adjustment without the use of tools. Thanks for watching.